Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video we are on Brrville. This is my new island. It's going to be a winter coastal theme. So basically the idea for this island is just to have a coastal town during winter. So I want a lot of like fishing areas, lots of usage of the fishing items. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on Twitch, which will be linked down below. And let's get on with the entrance speed build. And we are now finished with the speed build, so I'm gonna give you guys a final walkthrough. I am so proud of this entrance, so I'm so excited to show you guys around. So first we just have these, they're not really buildings, they're just a bunch of random stuff that I thought looked good together. So there's that on that side, and then there's another one on the right, and I wasn't gonna use palm trees on this island, but it's a coastal theme, you kind of have to, it makes sense. Over here we have the little seafood area. I think this is so cute. I love the codes that I used, and I'm actually really excited to use this dirt path because I've never used it on any of my islands before, so I'm actually really excited to use it. And then over here we have the fishing market, hence like the carts and the little scale over there, the fishes. And then over here we just have some meat, as well as over here. And then over here is the resident services, so we kind of have like a little yacht peeking through. Even though it's really hard to walk, it's fine because it looks really cute. And here's resident services. I briefly decorated it, but yeah, I love this road code as well because it's transparent with the dirt code, so I can like place other codes on top of it and like flowers and stuff. Over here we just have like a bench, and then over here we have like a little ice cream area, which I think is so adorable. And then I streamed me playing on this island last night, so I want to show you guys what I did on stream. Over here we just have the road that continues, and I kind of want to show you guys this area, just so you guys can get like a better idea of the island theme. This little area is so adorable. I don't know what it is. I love the cardboard box with the fish on it, and the little stool, and then the can. I don't know what it is. I think it's so adorable. But over here we have Bluebear's house, and Bluebear just has a fishing dock. It's kind of like a yacht repair dock as well, because there's like a little yacht, and it looks like Bluebear is working on it. But this is Bluebear's house so far, so I just want it to be a very cluttered and detailed island. And then here we have the dock. We have a little stool that you can sit on. I'm going for like the overgrown winter coastal vibes, and I love all of it together. And then over here is like the little boardwalk, and you can go to resident services as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it for everything I worked on this island. I am really enjoying this theme so far. It's a really fun and unique theme. I got the idea of this theme actually from this code, this water code, and this path, so I will have those in the description down below. Alright, and that's gonna be the end of today's video. I hope you all enjoy this entrance speed build and this new island, and I can't wait to give you more content from this island, and I will see you next time with a new video. Bye!